Welcome back. I'm putting on my imaginary rubber gloves so we can do some testing. Now there's two ways that you can test the Finch robot or any other robot. The first way is to simply pull up a 1-minute chart. I would recommend you use the 1-minute chart. Pull up a 1-minute chart on a demo account. You want to use a demo account when you first start trading this robot so you can see how it works and see what mistakes it makes, or see if it even opens up a trade or if anything goes wrong. So you first open up a demo account. I would recommend that you trade any currency pair that you like. The Australian dollar, Canadian dollar is right here on the chart right now, and that's perfectly fine. What you're going to do is you're going to pull up the navigator window. You're going to choose Expert Advisors. You're going to move down to the Finch right here, and then you're going to drag that over onto the screen. Now that will pop up a window. Once you pop up that window, you need to make sure that you check the box for Allow Live Trading. Then you can go through all of the inputs and settings that we've talked about in the previous videos, and you can click OK. Now this robot at this point in time will have a sad face up here in the upper right-hand section of the screen. If it's got a little sad face, that means it's not taking trades. You have to look for the button on your screen that says Auto Trading, check that box, that turns green, and then the smiley face goes on. Now you're trading. Now what you have to make sure that you do at this point is keep this computer on. You can use a virtual private server, which we talk about inside the robots guide, linked in the videos below, or included with whatever materials are with this video. You have to keep that computer running. We could just keep this giant computer on all the time, so this can act as our virtual private server. And as long as it's running and the computer is open, this will continue to take trades and produce results. And you can always look in your journal section at the very bottom of the screen, and this will list all the trades that have recently opened, or errors, or problems, or whatever else. Once it's got some trades open, there will be other tabs at the bottom, like trades and history and whatever else. So that's the first way that you test this robot. You open up a demonstration account, you pull the robot onto the screen, you make sure all the settings are there, and then you just let that thing run and you leave it running. Now, if you go 24 hours on a single 1-minute chart and no trades have opened, you want to make sure you check in the journal section and see if there have been any errors. A lot of times your computer has rebooted, or MetaTrader has stopped working, or you've lost your internet connection. There could be a lot of reasons, but that's the first thing you want to check if something goes wrong. Now, if trades are open, then ding, you're good to go, and you keep that running for at least a week to make sure you see how it works and see what it looks like. When we come back, I want to show you how to do a simple back test inside of MetaTrader.